Red Hot Breaks. We got a Facebook group break here. Immaculate 4-boxer. 4-boxer of Immaculate. We got serial numbers for the Orioles, Tigers, Dodgers, Yankees, Phillies, and Padres. Good luck, everybody. All card ship. All card ship tomorrow. If we got to go to the randomizer, you guys know how it works. We will random it. Whoever gets it, gets it. Good luck, everybody. Listen, I will tell everybody, this Immaculate has been immaculate this year. I'm going to get some more of it because it's been so good. Let's go. Brady Singer, 7 of 25. Kansas City. 7 of 25. Nice start. Garrett Cole for the Yankees. 29 of 49. Going to the 9 spot, which is Taxi. Taxi on the 9. Taxi on the 9er. Jackson Kowar, 13 of 37. Kansas City Royals hit like craziness. I think Nick B's onto something here. Jackson Kowar, 13 of 37. That was a little napkin. I'm not wrong about that. Ooh, this is a nice one. Kansas City box, 48 of 99. Angel Zerpa. Angel Zerpa. Kansas City in fuego for Nick. 48 of 99. Well, DJ, you got 3 to sort, and they're all Royals.
Not bad, huh?
This one's not a Royal. Brian De La Cruz for the Marlins. I think that's a Coco. 57 of 77. Brian De La Cruz for Coco. 57 of 77. Nolan Gorman. Oh, 1 of 1 for the Cardinals. C. Martin. First break with us, I believe.
Nice.
Nolan Gorman, 1 of 1.
Right, there you go.
Fantastic. Welcome to the room.
That's why you break with Red Hot.
Wow. That's exactly why you break here. Nolan Gorman, 1 of 1. Smashing card. And Matt Verling, 1 of 99 for the Phillies. And that is going to Gonzo. 1 of 99. Matt Verling.
Kind of weird that was on the bottom.
Yeah, it is kind of weird that was on the bottom, isn't it? I don't know why that was on the bottom. Why was that on the bottom, DJ?
I don't know.
Nolan Gorman, 1 of 1. Wow.
I mean, I understand the Gorman shouldn't be on the bottom, but that was weird. This is pretty easy.
Box 2. Bigger napkin. You're right, Taxi. Come on, Taxi. Positive vibes, Taxi. Positive vibes. Threw that box right in the ground, didn't I? Must be a redemption in here, DJ. Thin to win.
Thin to win. Thin to win.
Thin to win. Aaron Nola, 13 of 99 for the Phillies. Going to the 3 spot, which is Bo. Yo, Bo. With the 3. You think after the 3rd time I reach for these, I would just put them over here where I could reach them. Serial number 3. For Bo. Oh, look at this. 1 of 10 for the Braves. Maddox and Glavin. Nice hit, Scotty. 1 of 10.
That's a nice card.
That is pretty cool, ain't it? 1 of 10, Scotty. A beauty right there. Glavin and Maddox.
For some reason, Maddox has the wood.
Maddox does have the wood. Oh, for the Kansas City Royals. Wow. Edward Olivares, 5 of 10. Jeez, the damn Royals, DJ.
That's 4.
5 of 10,
Sorting.
Nick B. Nice little glove patch on there. That does look like a Mets patch, you're right. Redemption. Triple memorabilia signatures red, Joe Ryan. Joe Ryan, DJ? Astro?
Sounds right.
Twins. Joe Ryan, Twins. Twins. Kevin G. A pen, DJ. Twins. Kevin G. Rookie triple memorabilia signatures red. Nice one. Oh, wow. Look at that patch off the Yankees. Luis Gil, 4 of 99. Oh, you traded that to Coco. Coco! What a patch on there. Wow. You traded the 4 away for the Yankees patch. There better be a Rocky in here. 4 of 99. It happens. You're right. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. DJ had the 4 and traded it to Coco. Nice hit. Last one in this one. Greg Diekman. 43 of 99 for the Cubs. Kevin G.
This is going to be easy shipping, too.
Diekman.
Next being Kevin G.
43 of 99 on the acetate. Rookie. DJ always hitting as well as Coco.
Oh, here, this is a 4. That's a serial number.
Which one? Oh, yeah, the Gill. Sorry. I was just thinking Coco, you know?
Yeah.
I was thinking Coco. I was thinking about Coco. Let's get excited about this box, DJ. Kyle Tucker on top. All right, Kyle Tucker. 13 of 25 for the Astros, Nick. Kyle Tucker. 13 of 25. For the Yankees. Oh, there you go, DJ. 10 of 10. Jason Dominguez with a piece of his tire.
Maybe a glove, huh?
I think it's a NASCAR card. It's a piece of tire.
Nice.
10 of 10. You did get. So you traded a serial number for a Yankee, and you got a serial number of a Yankee.
Not auto, but a Dominguez, so.
I don't know.
Not a bad card. It's probably not a bad card. That's right, Coco. eBay 1 of 1. It'll be on immediately.
Tony Santillan, 71 of 99 for the Reds. Coco. Tony Santillan. Reds. We got another redemption. We got another red hot redemption coming here, DJ. Jonathan India, Immaculate Marks Red for the Reds also, right?
Yeah, this is, I mean, the shipping is simple with this.
You're excited about this shipping, aren't you?
Well, it's going to be easy.
Jonathan India, Immaculate Marks Red. Hello, Mant. Jonathan India. It's been a nice couple boxes here, too. Oh, look at the patch on that. 74 of 99. Jose Siri.
How's that the 99?
I don't know. Nick B. 74 of 99. Wow, smoking patch on there. Jose Siri. 74 of 99. And, oh, another nice red. Ellie De La Cruz. 1 of 25. Boy, I'll tell you what, Scotty. Eddie's going to be mad he didn't get the reds tonight. Ellie De La Cruz, 1 of 25 for Cincinnati Reds. Coco. Another nice hitter. 1 of 25. Very nice. Last box. This is Immaculate. I'm telling you, this Immaculate's been good this year, DJ. Definitely been good. Maybe that means NT's going to be good. Oh, super thick box here.
Could be a book, huh?
I don't know what.
One of them big gloves.
Might be a big glove. It'll be right here on the top if it is. Oh, the double button, DJ. The double button. Double button. Double button and some serious thickness in there. Every card in there is super thick. Double button of Tyler Duffy. Minnesota Twins. Tyler Duffy. Minnesota Twins. Twins went to Kevin G. Look out, Nolan Gorman. You got to share the spotlight. Tyler Duffy. Button it up. Luis Robert, 23 of 25 with a piece of the hat, I believe.
Yep.
23 of 25 for the White Sox. Nick B. Immaculate is what this product is called, DJ. It is Immaculate this year.
Good stuff.
23 of 25. Jackson Kowar yet again. 29 of 37 for the Kansas City Royals. Jackson Kowar. Now we've flipped the opposite way. Bo! Kevin Smith, 56 of 66. RPA, Kevin Smith, Toronto Blue Jays. Bo. Nice hit, Bo. 56 of 66. Aaron Ashby, 71 of 83 for the Brew Crew. Coco. Aaron Ashby, Brewers.
Patch auto, not eye black.
Deadhead says that is a sticker auto. Oh, wow. Detroit Tigers, Pudge Rodriguez, 23 of 49. Serial number going to the 3. Bo!
That's a nice card.
That is, isn't it? 23 of 49. Pudge Rodriguez. Nice hit, Bo. Little serial number action for you there, Bo. What did Pudge play for? Rangers? Tigers?
Rangers was his main team, wasn't it?
Yeah. Last one. Oh! What is this? Reese? How do you say that? Nair? Why does that say Trout on it? Boy, if that was a Mike Trout patch, huh? Oh, that's the Cleats tongue logo.
Wow.
Reese Nair. Who's at the Padres?
Yeah, it looks like the card.
1 of 2 going to the 1 spot.
Yeah,
Kevin G.
I'm pretty sure that's a Padre, Doc. It looks like
San Diego.
Yeah.
Reese Nair.
Sweet looking card.
That's cool. Look at
I'll
that.
tell you what, these boxes are pretty cool.
I'm
You see different stuff. Like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
That's out
Nice
of the
hit,
card,
Gonzo.
You know, that's out of the card.
Yeah. Yeah, that's freaking totally awesome right there. That is wild, ain't it? If it was Mike Trout, then it had a Mike Trout. Serial number Gons. Nice hit, man. This is a great product this year. I don't care what anybody says. Great product this year. So many, like DJ said, so much different stuff.
Yeah, it's just different things.
Buttons. I mean, every break we've had buttons or gloves or cleats. We got a Aaron Judge glove card. I mean, just all kinds of cool stuff this year. I'm definitely getting more of this. Nice hit, Gons. Very nice hit. Glove card. Or, I mean, shoe card. Then we got the Duffy double button. We got the Glavin and Maddox to 10. And we got the 1 of 1 Nolan Gorman. Awesome. Awesome boxes. Congrats, everybody. Checker flag.